Hello! Let's check out the Aviator Hotel and the Tailwinds Grille in Bangor. This is right next to the Bangor International Airport. I was going to say Philly. But this is in Bangor, Maine. And you cannot miss this hotel. It stands tall right to the left of the airport, and it's actually attached by one of those sky bridges. You can see it right there on the right behind those trees. Now, it's not a fancy smancy hotel, as you'll see, but the grill is amazing. But friendly staff. And let's go ahead and look at the room. Welcome to the Aviator Hotel in Bangor, Maine. This is at the airport. We decided to stay here. This is part of the Best Western. As soon as you walk in, here is your bathroom. It is a very, very small bathroom. Very, very small bathroom. But it looks like it's been updated. Does look nice? Looks a little nice. So let's see what we've got in here. Oh, it looks like maybe an extra blanket, a pillow, the luggage rack. Very nice. So Wade and I are staying here. It is 2 queen beds. Well, I think they're twin beds. Yes, that's right. They're not queen size. Maybe full almost. So we're staying here because we're on our way to Vegas, and instead of getting up early in the morning from where we live, we thought we would just stay here for convenience. And this was just over $100 to stay here for the night. Wasn't too bad. I think we got a military discount, so that was really nice. Nice big desk, isn't it? A really nice desk. Now, Lloyd has stayed here before, and he said that we're on the front side of the airport, which is noisy because we hear them making announcements and stuff. Although I don't know if we would with this early. But see, we're on the 8th floor, so it's a pretty good view, right? You see the airport, the airstrip there, right there. See, it says Bangor Airport right there. But we'll go downstairs, and then we just walk across that, that bridge. We go through that little bridge right into the terminal, right? So you just go downstairs and then you check in. And then back upstairs again for security. So it's not bad. There's Wade. Nice. This gives you a little microwave and nice little refrigerator and a couple of free waters. That was nice. Not too bad size TV. Not too bad, but we're just here just a quick. We're gonna grab dinner at the restaurant, and I'll show you the restaurant when it opens up here at 5. Oh, it looks like they got some really cool aircraft pictures, so that's pretty neat. That's pretty cool. Very, very cool. There you go. So it's not bad, but we thought it would be better because we live an hour away from the airport. So it would be better to stay the night when you have to get up at, oh my God, early. I think the flight's at 5:30. So, we would have to have gone up at 2. And with the time change, we just sprung forward this morning, and we lost an hour. So we're kind of already sleepy enough as it is. But anyway, we are on a trip to Vegas. So we will see you guys in the next, and enjoy the restaurant that we are going to show you here in a sec. So the room isn't really too bad. It's small, but it works. This is the lobby area when you walk in. And they do have an area that you can buy snacks and things like that. Little welcoming kind of area. Of course, there are monitors around to tell you about the flight, which is really nice to have at the hotel. You can keep updated exactly when you're leaving and those who are arriving as well. So this is inside the Tailwinds Grille. We were there when it first opened up. It was super friendly staff. It was nice to be at the airport the night before, and then you could just relax and in the morning just get up and walk on over. Let's take a look at the menu. We have quite a lot to choose from. So we just got our food here, and oh my, I got the herb salmon with a baked potato, and they gave me some broccoli. It looks like sour cream. And Wade got, what kind of burger was it, Wade?
Angus burger.
Angus burger.
Angus burger.
Yep. Oh, he's choking on a fry.
Nope.
How's the fry?
It's pretty good. It's good, yeah.
It looks really huge. Burger looks really good though, don't it? Look at those fries. Wow, look at them. They look pretty good. So we're going to dig in. So this is the chocolate molten lava with ice cream on top, and they kind of topped us with ice cream. That's all ice cream. That is not whipped cream.
It's ice cream.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's all ice cream. You think you can handle it, Wade?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you? Yeah.
Yep. Easy.
We're gonna share it. It smells really good, really chocolatey. Here we go, diving in. So I hope you liked the little peek at the Aviator Hotel and the Tailwinds Grille right next to the Bangor Airport. It was really a smart choice for us to have done that. We'll see you guys in the next.